Hi, today we will see how we can change WP admin URL of WordPress. For that, we are going to use a plugin that is WPS hide login. So the first step is to install the WordPress plugin. So how you can install WordPress plugin? Just go to plugins, click on add new plugin. Then in the search bar, just type WPS hide login, and it will show you the WPS hide login plugin. This one. Click on install now, then click on activate. With this, your plugin has been activated. Now what you have to do is go to settings, and under settings you will find WPS hide login. Click on it. In this page, go to the bottom of the page here, and here you can enter whatever login page you want. For example, I am entering my login page. So this will be my login page from now on. Just click on save changes, and see your login page is now here, and this is showing the URL which you can use for logging into your WordPress website.